are the smokiest wings you've ever tasted. I want to bring you in close and talk about containers because this is something that's really close to my heart, and I think it's a little bonus for this video. So come in close. We'll show you. I'm going to talk about these different containers and what I've gone through and experienced to warn you guys. And it's a great day to be smoking. It's pouring rain. I love it. I'm going to have to smoke and open the garage door and smoke under the garage door. I don't know. But anyway, come in close. Let me show you this first. Then we'll lay out all the ingredients for the smokiest wings you've ever tasted. All right, so by now you guys know about the pop tops that I use. I love these containers. They got a circular pop top, and you press it to open it. You close it. When you press it again, it stays closed, right? Okay, so they had these white plastic ones. OXO did. Then OXO came out with the stainless steel version. Looks like this, okay? You pop it to open it, and then you put it back down. You press down. It's supposed to let all the air out and make a suction and protect your spices and all that. The only problem is, see? Doesn't matter if the button's pushed or not. I mean, I can literally, it's closed right now. Let me press all the air out. Okay, I can literally lift it with one finger. It's absolutely horrible. The metal stainless steel top ones from OXO are the worst. I replaced all my white ones except this and got these, gave these away to somebody I care about, so I'm not going to ask for them back. I'm not going to buy new ones. I have to show you the ones I'm going to now. I love these. I love what they were doing. And then I went to these. This is by Better Homes and Garden. Let me show you how it works. Ready? This is like really tight. And the way it works is you just lift up the little handle and pick it up. See? Then you close it. And then when you crank it down, it's like one of those suction cups that go in your shower. You lift the handle and it breaks the suction. All right? Whew. That's some garlic in there. So, I mean, these are really, really good. Look, I'm grabbing it only by the top. I'm very proud to recommend these. I trust these. I'm going from these and these. I'm getting rid of these and throwing them out. And I'll keep these, but I'm going to these. This is Better Home and Garden over OXO. I just want to warn you, don't get the metal tops. Don't get excited like me, replace all 25, 30 containers you got with the metal tops that don't stay on. They just ridiculous. Anyway, let's get started with this recipe. Okay, guys, you ever see a group of flavors like in a recipe and go, that's amazing? Well, this is supposed to be the best. It's called the best smoky wings ever, but we're calling it the smokiest wings you'll ever taste. All right, because I think this is going to be amazing. I'll let you know if it's any good, all right? So we got olive oil over here, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, garlic, onion powder, cumin, and salt and pepper right here. That's it. We're going to mix this all up. We're going to eyeball it. You guys are going to, I'm probably, you know what? I'm only doing a dozen parts. Like if I ordered 12 wings at Buffalo Wild Wings, which I don't get because half a wing is really called one wing, but whatever. I have a small amount, so I'm just going to kind of eyeball this recipe. You have to do it according to the amount of wings you're making, all right? But, I mean, you know, teaspoons, tablespoons, whatever. Back off on the heat items. If it's too hot, use less cayenne pepper. But let's put this all together. So these are going on at about 300 till they're done. 300 degrees. You can do 250 if you want. Some people want 250. But I'm doing 300 because I got the seasoning I want on it. And the smokiness is just going to add to it. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm doing 300 degrees until these are a minimum 165. We're using the Camp Chef smoker today. Why? Because it's in my garage. I'm kind of half in, half out. I got my fan way back there blowing all the air, so any smoke will go that direction. And This is a sturdy machine. Here's a shot of what it looks like. Got all my wings laid out on the smoker. Let's close this up, and I'm starting at 250, and then I'm going to crank it up to 300 once we get up to 250. As you can see, my fan's just doing wonders as the smoke billows back into my garage. I'm going to have to slide it out some more. I got the fan on over there, and it's blowing on high. It's pretty strong. I could feel it over here, but it's not. Oh, well, it's not really letting the smoke in. Anyway, maybe bring the fan a little closer. These look really good, and they smell even better. So let's get these into the house, and we'll try them under the lights. I smelled these in the garage, smoking away. Smelled great. So let's give one of these a try. This one's got a lot of bone on it, so I want to save the rest for Tammy. She's getting home in 10 minutes. So, oh, please, they smell great. Let's hope they're good. Mm-hmm. I would have put a little bit more garlic in there because I can't really taste the garlic, and a pinch more salt. That's it. A little bit more garlic, a little bit more salt. Everything else is good. The smokiness, the heat, everything. Good job. All right, guys, join me on the next episode. Hit the subscribe button and be looking for new merchandise, new hats, new shirts, new everything. We're going to have it all. All right? I got to go take care of my puppy. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.